All right, go ahead. I think that was Abby. That sounded like Abby.
Yes, that was me.
Okay, okay. Welcome again, guys. Welcome again. Thank you guys so much for coming out. Much appreciated. All right. All right, go ahead.
Yes. So
Yeah.
it says, Martha used a rule to combine the numbers in column A and column B to get the number in column C. So A and B, so column A says 18, 20, 36, 24, and 30. Column B says 2, 5, 6, 8, 5. And column C says 9, 4, 6, 3, blank. So what I found out is that you have to divide the number in column B into the number in column A to get the number in column C. So 2 into 18 goes 9 times. 5 into 20 goes 4 times. 6 into 36 goes 3 times. 8 into 24 goes 3 times. 5 into 30 goes 6 times. So my answer would be B6.
All right. Well done. Well done.
Yes, sir,
agree,
I
guys.
agree.
Yeah. Well done. So, guys, we just have to observe them and just make sure it's consistent for all. Notice what Abby did. She did for every single one, right? Every single one she tested it for. So, yeah, that way you can be 100% sure that it is 6 because you tested for all of them and it's proof that it worked for all of them. Sometimes they will
So it
start
means
off
that
some
the
like
pattern
that,
is
but
true.
not all. So you have to
So you
test it,
have to test.
it work for all.
So you have to test all of them so that you know that the pattern that you think is the actual
Yeah, it's
pattern.
actually accurate.
I do 22.
Yeah, man, go ahead, Simika.
Jonathan is writing a list of the 14 people he will invite to his birthday party. His list so far is shown below. Use this information to answer 22. First, Jill. Second, Denise. Third, Lily. Fourth, Jennifer. Fifth, Maddie. Which number sentence shows how many more people Jonathan will invite? Sir, consider the rest of the.
Oh, you can't see the options. All right.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Welcome.
Sir, can I do the other question?
14
All right,
Sir,
no
can you do
problem.
24?
What do you think is the answer, Simika? You want to share with us?
Yes, sir.
What do you think is the answer?
Sir B.
14 plus 5. Do we agree?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
I think it's D. D as in doll.
Okay. All right. So how many persons supposed to be on the list?
Sir, I agree
Total.
with Kayla Evans.
14, sir.
All right.
Sir, I
So
agree with
if
Kayla.
We
we add
already have
14,
5, sir. So you would take the 5 out of the 14, sir. And you
yeah,
would get 9.
yeah,
it's D.
More people you need.
yeah. So it would be
14.
D,
Yes,
right,
sir.
Simi?
So
Because
what are we doing?
if we added, it would be more than 14. So it would be a total of 19. And that would not be true because they said 14 people. So guys, please read the headings carefully because it says it's supposed to be 14 total. But you already listed 5, so out of the 5, you take away the 5 from the 14.
Yes,
Alright,
sir.
Kayla, you're next with this one. Go ahead.
Grade 6 was given a science test. This test was scored out of 20 marks. The grades of 4 students were given in the table below. Use this information to answer item 23. Science results. Student: Jesse, Laura, Michael, Zach. Fraction correct. 19 over 20, 11 over 20, 15 over 20, and 7 over 20. Only two of the students passed the test. Which of the following could be the lowest possible passing score?
Wait, let me show you the options. All right.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I think it's 12.
12.
Sir, I think it's
Sir, I
13.
disagree. I think it's A. Sir, I think it's A as well, sir.
Hold on, but if you get 5 out of 20, shouldn't they have passed?
Sir, can I tell you why I picked B?
Sir, may Ian explain,
Yeah,
please?
tell us why you think it's.
Sir, I picked 12
Sir, may Ian
because
explain for
Sir, I
B?
picked 12 because if it was 5, sir, that means Zach would pass and everybody else would pass. And it said only 2 students passed the test. If it
Excuse me,
was
sir.
18, sir, if it was 18, sir, only Jesse would pass. And it says only 2 students pass. And if it was 20, sir, nobody would pass. So the only suitable one there would be 12 because neither Michael or Zach passed. Only Laura and Jesse passed.
Sir, can Ian explain?
Yes, sir, I agree with her. I think
But
should be.
Sir, may Ian explain why you think it's B?
all right, go ahead.
Okay, sir. The reason why I think it's B because it says they want to know the lowest possible passing score. So look at the question. It's the lowest passing score. So it means for when they pass the test, but it's a low, it's like not really a low grade, but a low passing score. That's why I think it's 12, sir. Because it's a passing score, but also low. It's the lowest one.
Yes,
So what about the person who got 15? Did that person pass?
Yes, sir.
To be honest,
But
I
it's not the lowest.
don't know. I don't understand this question.
Me,
Because it's the only two of
He passed.
this.
Sir, I think it's B.
Sir, it means, sir, it's asking it says only 2 students pass the test, so it means the lowest possible passing score.
Sir,
Oh, so they just want the lowest possible passing score.
18.
Yes,
Sir, they want to
sir.
see which
So
grade
they
is
want
the
to know
lowest
what
that
is
is
the lowest
possible
passing
to pass.
score. Not like those high score like 18 over 20, 19 over 20, even 16 over 20. They want the lowest
Think
possible
about it. I
passing
can ask you
score.
something. Think about it this way. I think what they're saying that I think these 2 persons already basically passed, right? So it has to be lower than 15. Because there's no way we can say somebody get 15 over 20 and they fail. So I don't think it would be 18 on that basis. I don't think it could be 18 because they said the lowest possible passing mark, as you said. So
Oh, and
somebody got
20 is
50.
out too.
Yeah. So it only be 20 out of 20 because that would make 3.
Nobody got 20 out of 20, and that is not low.
Yeah. So I think
Has
this
to be 12.
I would choose the 12. All right. Thanks so much. Who wants to take on this one?
Sir, can you do the next one, please?
The next one.
Sir, can
All
I
right,
do
do
this?
this one, Jeremiah, the 24.
Big. Jesus.
Okay, sir. Got the pattern.
Yeah, you said the next one. I asked for this one and you said you want the next one, right?
Yes. Oh, yeah, true. I said I wanted to do 25.
Exactly. So go ahead, Jeremiah.
Look at the pattern that Stacey created on her number chart below. 1. Sir, should I call numbers on chart, sir?
Come on, no bother with that. Because I think
Okay.
everyone is seeing it, right? So you can just go ahead.
Sir, where is the screen?
It's here.
Sir?
You're not seeing it?
No.
Nika, you're seeing my screen?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm
Just click
seeing
on
your
the
screen.
participants and you will see me. Okay.
I'm seeing the
You
screen.
can pin this,
Sir.
but normally,
And
guys, when
my
I'm using my
Sir.
laptop, you don't have to
Sir,
see
can
this.
Ian explain this one, please?
Sir, this
Jeremiah
thing
is
is
doing this, yeah. Go ahead, Jeremiah.
Sir, my answer is A, sir.
Yeah.
yes, it.
Do we agree?
no, sir.
All right. Go ahead, Miller. Take it on.
I can say B because they take out like one from like 2 blocks. 1, 2, they take out 3, 4, 5, they take out 6, 7, 8, they take out 9, 10, 11, they take out 12, and so on. 10, 15, then 16,
Sir,
then
I
8,
agree with Kira.
21, then 24, 25, 26, 27 hours, and you get 28. That's how I got B.
Yes, I agree, sir.
26. So you think
Yes,
that
sir.
if we should
B.
draw a next thing right here, you think the next one is going to be
No,
26
sir, I
or
think
2?
it's B.
And that's what they actually did, right?
Sir, people are asking in the chat what time class going to over.
Right.
Guys, let's focus on what we're doing. Not the overtime. So look at this. Look at it. 1, 2 block. 1, 2 block. 1, 2 block. 1, 2 block. You see, it continues. 1, 2 block. 1, 2 block. 1, 2 block. 1, 2 block. Then you have 1. Wouldn't this be 2? And then block.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'm thinking
B, sir.
this would be 26. So it would
Yes,
be
and the block
27. This would be
and the block
27, right? Then you have 28,
30.
then 29.
Sir, then they will chip out 20,
Then block.
28.
Sir, I think it is
Oh,
B.
block.
Sir, it's B.
I think more than one person talking, guys. That kind of confusing. But if you look at it, I would say 27 and 30 based on if the pattern continues. So look, 1, 2 block. 1, 2 block. So I would say it would be 27 and 30. You could literally draw
So
the
you're
next
saying
one,
that
guys.
they skip out two numbers and then block it?
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. You agree, guys? Look, 1, 2 block.
Yes,
Oh
sir,
yeah,
I agree.
you see,
Block.
sir. I think it's
1,
actually
2 block.
D.
1, 2 block. 1, 2 block. Mean they block it out. 1, 2 block out. 1, 2 block out. 1, 2 block out. So they would continue. 1. Oh, yeah. The number continues. Yeah, 1, 2 block. All right. Kayla Barrett, add volunteer for this one. Let's see. 25.
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Volunteer. Jesus Christ.
somebody's coming, guys. What are the puzzle business? Every paper is on it. This is
Circle at the 30.
all right, cool.
Sir, my teacher said that every paper there's always a letter pattern.
All right.
Yeah, that's what
Or
mine
a
said
type
too.
of pattern.
So go ahead, Barrett.
Every paper.
Which two figures come next in the pattern? So the pattern is that you go first, you go left, then you go up, then you go sideways, which is right, and then you go down. So you will go the next side, then go up.
But which is the next side? You have to be clear. Which?
Oh, so I'm talking about that you shall go left, then you go up.
So what?
You go left,
Give us the option, and then we can work with the option.
No, A is you go left, then you go up. Then B is you go left, then you go up. C is you go right, then you go up. Then D, you go left, then you go up. Look like all of them are the same thing as FC.
Yeah.
Sir, my answer is B.
Wait, Jeremiah, wait.
Sir, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, man, you can too. Kelly Jackson.
Sir, why do you laugh like that?
It's just our
Jeez.
laugh, guys.
Because that's just how
Sir,
we laugh.
it's
Everybody laughs
weird.
different.
It's natural. That's
I
how
know,
you
I
laugh.
know,
Everybody
I know,
laughs
I know.
different.
Everybody
Sir,
laughs
I think it's
different.
B, sir. Sir, I think
Yes,
it's
sir. I
B.
think it's B. B as in ball.
Boys.
But sir, why is A and B the same thing
It's
and
not the
B
same.
also?
You're not
It's
observing.
not
It's not the
same.
same,
Yeah.
guys.
It's not the
This is
same,
not.
sir. I know why it's the
Correct.
same.
Or something.
Look at the top.
Absolutely.
Look at the top.
Oh
Guys, you
yeah.
sound like Queen and Mark
Look
so
at
far.
you.
Oh,
I think it's
yes,
B.
yes,
I think it's
Sir,
B.
It's B as in boy.
Can I say
Alright.
why it's not the
yes,
same?
sir. I agree.
said A,
Yeah.
B, and
Sir, the reason why A is not the same as B because B at the top there's like no hole.
Yeah.
yeah, oh yeah, that's factual true.
So guys, you see why you have to look at it very carefully.
remind
Kelly Jackson. Kelly Jackson wants to say something, guys. Go ahead, Kelly Jackson.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm saying that the answer is B because the first pattern that goes side and up and side then down, you should continue it because to A, it said when the first something that said side is a circle at the top. That doesn't show the pattern at the front say that. So I'm saying that is B because you can continue it.
Yeah, so the circle would be here, right?
Yes, sir.
That's what
Yes,
it's
sir.
meaning, guys. The
Sir,
circle
any,
is
sir,
actually.
any direction. Sir, any direction the arrow is turned, that's where the black dot is turned.
That is it. So guys, you have to be very observant. Very good. You have to be observant because don't just
Sir,
look
I
at
think
it
it was
lightly.
B.
Yeah, man, it's B. All right. Can we have a volunteer for 26? Give me a name and you go ahead, please. Guys, we're going a little bit faster than normal because I want us to do at least one more paper. All right.
Aiden, sir.
All right. Go ahead, Aiden.
The bus taking Mr. Walter's students on a field trip has a flat tire on the way to Jamaica Zoo. Based on the graph, at approximately what time did the bus tire go flat? So starts. So as it shows, the field trip, the bus starts going at 8 o'clock, and then at 9 o'clock there's a sudden stop, and then at 9:30 it keeps elevating, and then 11 o'clock it goes down, which it means that they reach their destination or the destination of the field trip. So sir, so I'm gonna read the question again. Based on the graph, at approximately what time did the bus tire go flat? So I think it's 9 o'clock.
I agree.
B.
I think it's B.
Yeah,
That's what
because
I'm saying.
remember, whenever
I agree
whenever it
because
stops, guys, time continues. That's
that
what
means
this
that it
means.
stopped.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And
So while it stops,
look at the
time
straight
continues.
line.
So when it's flat like that,
So you can put it like this. The bus tire went flat 1 hour after.
would it be a hour though?
No. No, sir.
Approximately about 30 minutes.
and a half later.
Yes, sir. Like a half hour.
Yeah,
Half
because
an
see at
hour.
9:30
Yes,
they
sir.
start moving again.
Sure, for the 8 to the 8:30, they didn't actually take like a 30 minutes. They took a bit less.
Yeah, it's approximately 9 o'clock it went. So it now go stop same time, right? What about 9
And then
o'clock?
it goes 9:30. So like sometime between that, like
Yeah,
9:28 or something.
that is it. Alright. Good job, guys. Good job. Let's see this person. Alright. Good job. Good job.
Is this a math paper?
Clue. Every class you ask that. Yes, Clue. I got Clue. You see, you know, like when me laugh, you know, so you always ask that every class. Alright. So Clue volunteered for 30. Who for 27? And guys, the new persons who are just joining us, you're welcome to try it, all right? So not just the regular, but everyone. Talia Morris, you can go ahead. Everyone can try, guys. You know how it goes in this class. Everyone is encouraged to try. Once you feel the confidence, you can just go ahead. We support each other also. So Talia Morris, you want to go?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead.
Kala came to Jamaica on the second Wednesday in the month of July. Sir?
Yeah, man, go ahead. You can continue.
And it's
You don't have to read out the calendar, just observe it. But read this part and tell us what you think is the answer.
If Kira stays for 11 days, on what day did she leave Jamaica? Sir, can you bring it up, please, sir?
All right. Yeah, man, not a problem. That all right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I think that she will go back the 23.
All right. Do we agree, guys? Anik, I see your hand up on Nika part.
Yes, sir, I agree.
All right.
Sir, I agree as well.
Yes, sir.
It's the 23rd.
Sir, I don't understand. Because, sir, they said that she came to Jamaica.
Second Wednesday.
That would be the 13th.
Yes, sir. So would it be 23rd
Oh,
of
I
July?
get it now, sir.
And she stayed for 11 days. So,
Sir, isn't it the 24th?
I agree.
Yes, sir, 23rd of July.
this one is kind of weird, you know, because I don't have a clue. Because she
Sir,
came.
say me, sir, in the chat, sir. Sir, I'm wondering if it's 23 or 24, if we're supposed to count the 13th.
That's what I'm wondering also.
Sir,
I'm
but I
thinking-
think no, sir. I don't think we should count the day that she landed. Hold on, Jeremiah. I'm
Sir,
talking.
I say B.
Sir, I don't think
24.
we should count the day that she landed, sir, because that's not a full day that she spent in Jamaica.
Yes, sir.
True,
I
sir.
didn't
So,
count
sir,
that.
I
think
think
it's
that's
the
the
I
24th.
didn't count the 13. I
24th.
continued after.
24th.
Either the 23rd or the 24th.
24. Sir, I said
24th.
the 24th.
That's what I'm submitting with.
24th, sir.
24th because you should not. You have to
Answer.
count
So you're
the
saying
days
she stayed for 11 days.
Answer. If
So,
you add 13 plus 11, you would get 20.
Yes, sir. I said 34.
Yes, sir. If you add 13 plus 11, you also get 24. That's actually
Sir, I
true.
say B.
Yes, sir.
24.
I'm thinking B though. Because
Sir.
as Taylor
Yes,
said,
sir.
I don't think they would take. But what if the person, guys, what I'm thinking, what if the person came 12 o'clock in the night?
Sir,
They did not spend the full day.
But they didn't say that
Sir,
they
but
can't see.
12 o'clock is PM. It's not AM, so the other day would not start.
Exactly.
No man, it's AM, 12 AM I'm talking. Suppose they came 12 AM.
Sir, stop estimating.
Sir, no estimating, sir.
Estimating.
No estimating.
Was not there.
All right, fine. I would agree that it's 24. Based on that, because
So I'm begging you,
as
don't put me
Taylor
number.
said, it's full days. I would think about the full days instead of the part days. All right. Who wants to do 28? Nika, you had the hand up. You want to do this one?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead.
28 says Kelly learned that
beginning at age 2, children grow about 6 centimeters per year. Kelly's brother is 2 years old and 80 centimeters tall. Kelly wants to estimate what her brother's height would be at age 7. Which of the following is the best estimate?
We don't reach the math part yet.
Sir, she read it but never answered it.
30,
No,
sir.
man.
So
Let her answer, guys. Let her take her time, and it's fine. She have
Sir, my answer would be C, because if he's 2 and she wants to know what his height would be at 7, you would add about 5 years to that 2, which would be around 30 centimeters. And you would add that 30 to the 80, which would give you 110.
Do we agree, guys?
Fully agree.
Sir,
Agree.
I guess, sir.
No, man. We have to know if we agree or not.
I guess.
We don't guess in this
Sir, I
class.
don't
Fully
think we're
agree.
working out. I'm kind of confused.
All right.
We don't
All right,
estimate
she
the
kind of give a short version of the work, but the long and short of it, guys, if you want to write down the information, it becomes so easy. So think about it. The child is 2 now, and the child is 80 centimeters. Every year that passes, the child is going to grow 6 more centimeters. So it would be something like this, right? Because she would, so when she's 4,
280.
you add another 6 to this, right? You get the idea? Every year, the child is going to grow 6 centimeters more per year. So
Sir,
when the child is 5, the child will be about what?
Sir,
Hmm?
I multiplied 6 times 5 and then I added 80.
I know. That's why I say she gave the shortcut version, because she said 5 years, right? 'Cause from 2 to 7 is 5 years. And 5 times 6 is 30. So this is the short version. But just in case somebody wants to see it, make it make a lot more sense to them. Each year, you're going to add 6 more. So 6 plus 98 will give you what? 104. So when the child is 7, it's going to be 110. It's 110, it's correct.
Sir, I understand now.
Yeah. So guys, please write down the information that they give you and look at it. Then you can analyze it. Don't try to freestyle it, all right?
Sir, can you see me call 29?
Yeah, Crew is going to do 30. She said that a
Sir,
long
can I
time
do
ago.
31?
Can I
All
do
right, no
32?
problem.
Because I had my hand raised for 31, but someone wanted to do it, so
Oh, I'm
All
sorry.
right.
it's fine. It's fine.
Part of a multiplication table is shown below. Which 2 numbers correctly complete the pattern in the table? 12, 15, 18, 21, 16. Clear. 24, 28, 20 clear. 30, 35, 24, 30, 36, 42.
That bad when you say clear. All right, go ahead, man. Sorry.
Sir, I think it's what, 21 and 24.
Do we agree, guys?
No, sir, I do not agree.
No, sir.
All right, hold on, guys.
What did she
First
say?
person
What
to
did she
say
say
that.
was the answer?
Hold on, guys. We
Have
don't
answer.
need to quarrel about it.
21
Sir,
and
what was the
24.
answer she said?
Sinclair,
21
she
and
said C.
24.
Sinclair, you were the first one to say no. So you go ahead and tell us what you think. What's your answer and why?
Okay, sir. So in the one that it says 60, 16, and then a number is missing, and then it says 24, and then 28. I say that it is multiplying by 4. That is adding 4 each time, or multiplying 4 each time.
What number should go here?
20, sir.
What number should go here then?
25, sir. Because it's adding 5 each time.
Yeah. It's multiples, guys. Remember we did that at summer school?
Sir, did she say B?
No,
Sir, I
she said
C.
B
Sir,
was,
I agree with C, sir.
Me too, sir.
she said,
I agree
yeah,
with B,
C.
sir.
I
B.
agree
Because
with
it's
C,
multiples,
sir.
right? So these will be
Yes.
multiples of 3. Who recognize that? Multiples of 3, multiples of 4.
Me, sir.
B, sir.
B, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir.
I was also doing it crossway.
Oh, that's
Oh.
maybe we get it wrong. Yeah, I was in.
And multiples of 6 at the bottom.
Because I was wondering, 1 is 3.
This would be like 5s, right?
She's
Yes,
echo.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you'd have still gotten the correct answer if you did it this way, I think. Because 15, 20, 25, 30. Bam, bam. Suppose that's the real way, and we have to check it that way here. That's it there, 12.
Actually, the real way, we get it correct.
That's 5 down.
Yeah,
From
yeah.
the
So
second
guys, you see, person see it differently, but at the end of the day, everyone got it correct. Good job. Clue. You asked for 30 from a long time. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Jack divided 26 pens into groups. Each group has the same number of pens. Jack uses all the pens. Which of the following could not be the number of pens in each group?
Sir, could I give you my answer?
No, man. Make her answer first and then.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So I think it is D.
6.
Agreed.
Sir, I don't
Agreed.
agree with her.
Agreed.
Yeah.
I
Hold
agree
on.
with
Six.
Mr. Evans agrees, but Kayla Bennett doesn't. Ben agrees,
I
sir.
think
Six,
that
you
is,
said?
sir, I think that is, sir, I think it's cat.
Sir,
Sir, I
I
think it's
agree
cat,
with
sir.
Abigail. Sir, I think it's cat. Sir, can I change my answer?
Sir, I think that it's cat, sir, because 2 can go into 36 equally. 3 can go into 36
Sir, I think
equally.
oh, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Guys,
I
it's
agree.
multiples, guys.
See,
Not
I
the
agree with her.
factors, which I mean.
Sir, I agree. C, sir. C as in cat.
But
Five.
we don't know how much groups.
Sir,
Doesn't
it's
matter
not
how
that
many
it's saying
groups,
that
you know.
which of the following could not be the number of pairs in each group. It's like go my hand is great.
Guys, look at the factors of 36. Remember, all of these can divide equally into 36. You know?
But
Not. Have a look at the not.
That we will remain there.
explain, please.
Yeah, man. Go ahead, Anya.
Sir, so the reason why it would be
Okay,
5,
that's
sir,
fine.
because it said which of the following could not be the number of pens. So you look for which one of those can be divided into 36 evenly, and which one cannot divide equally into 36 would be the answer.
5, yeah.
And
5,
Yes,
you
sir,
cannot get
that's-
equal groups of 5
Sorry.
out of 36,
Yes, I
guys. They're gonna be 7 groups and 1
Exactly.
team.
Sir, 5 times 6 is
And we
30.
noticed that it's an even number
five,
and
seven,
5 is an
35.
odd number.
Sir, if you
And
were
I-
to put, if you were
I
to
don't
put
think it's
5,
about odd number, no, guys. It's about the factors of 36.
sir, if you were to put 5 and 36, you'd get 6 times, but you leave back with a remainder, so it couldn't go inside.
Actually, 7 times. 7, 5, 35, and remainder 1. So you see, guys, you have to look at it and read it carefully because it said could not. It didn't
Sir,
say.
it's actually,
But I thought, oh.
sir, if you
You
could
see,
actually
Kayla?
get a
You have to
Sir, if
read
it
it
said could
carefully.
not, sir, sir, if it said could not, sir, if you picked either A, B, or D, sir, you would have to get one right, or they would change up the answers.
Yeah. In that case, because these are factors. Factors mean the numbers can divide equally into it without a remainder.
Sir, I
Actually,
You can get
obvious
you
because
can get 18 groups
I
of
get
2,
it now.
3 groups of 12, And you can get 6 groups of 6. But you can't get no group of 5 that is gonna be even.
So you can get 7.5 groups.
It wouldn't be 0.5, 0.2.
No, it's not
One
that, sir.
six.
It's because you can divide it and you have a decimal. That's why I said
Yeah,
7.5.
so it will 0.2. I need to show you guys how to convert from fraction to decimal.
So it's easy. It's very, very easy.
Sir, I've done that already in class.
Awesome. All right. So why would you guys say that then?
Sir,
Right,
it's not
everything
me,
you
it's
do,
not
you have to
us.
retain everything you're doing, guys. That is your only job. Your only job is to learn. Your parents not say if you pay no bills, no, just learn. That's all. All right, so
So
try
the
your
thing
best
you
and
want to
learn
do
as
is
much
that
as
you can go to school and get good grades and come back home
that's
to make
all the
money.
asks of you. So I don't think that is so hard since you don't have to pay
So
bills
just to
and
know what my one
stuff like
asked
that.
you.
All right, 31. Who wants to take on 31?
No, sir, I asked to do
Sir.
it.
All right, go ahead, Kayla. I didn't hear. Go ahead.
No, sir, it was Kayla Evans, sir.
No, you said that you were going to do 32 and I said that I was going to do 31.
No,
All
I
right, so
said
Kayla
31.
Barrett the 31, and then
Kayla,
Kayla
I think
Evans
you
30.
actually said 32.
I'm mixing up the Kaylas.
What is oh
So go ahead. So we can
where this smells weird.
Please close your mic.
Kayla, you're gonna go?
Sure, am I the one to go or it's Kayla Evans?
Well, you said that you said 31 and Evan said 32. So go ahead.
Okay. Brianna fixed the candy machines. One day she spent 120 minutes on the first candy machine, 30 minutes on the second, and 105 minutes in the third. She estimated that it took her the average of 60 minutes to fix one candy machine.
I think
Which of
that's
the
90.
following? 90 minutes to fix one candy machine. Which of the following best describe Brianna's estimate? So I think I have to find the estimate before I
Then go
find
ahead
the
and do it.
answer.
No one is saying that they shouldn't. Go ahead and do it then.
Okay, so you have
Mhm.
one.
Guys, that's what is required, you do whatever is required. We don't freestyle it. Remember, we don't encourage that. Write down, do whatever you do is necessary. Take your time. Alright?
I say B as in Ben.
C,
Me
B
too.
as in bed.
Ben.
Sir, I say B as in Benjamin.
Oh Lord, somebody is text me. Saying can't join. Oh God. Guys, you know what I'm saying? I'm sending the code.
So it's 85 minutes. So her estimate is more than 10. So A, sir.
Alright,
Sir,
so you
her
say it is,
estimate is like
but he said by 10 minutes. It says 10 minutes. So you're saying 5 minutes. But this is
no,
saying,
sir, mistake. She actually took about like 85 minutes for one of them. So it should have been 85 minutes, which is the average. But it said that hers is 95, so she actually went 5 minutes over.
but she said 90. She never said 95.
Some of this game.
Alright. I saw Cassandra and oh, Cassandra, you want to take on this one? No. Simika, your hand is also up. You want to? This one you want to take on?
The helper, sir?
You had your hand up. You want to try 31?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead.
Brianna fixes candy machines. One day, she spent 120 minutes on the first candy machine, 30 minutes on the second, and 105 minutes in the third. She estimates that it took her an average of 90 minutes to fix one candy machine. Which best describes Brianna's estimate? Sir, I think it's B. No, sir, not B. D.
So we have
Sir,
to
why?
guess in this one, guys.
Sir, why I say D? Because it says that she spent 120 minutes on the first candy machine. Then she took another 30 minutes on the second one and 105 minutes in the third. And she estimates it took her an average of 90 minutes to fix one candy bar. And so if those are more than, so our estimate is more than 10 minutes because it says that it took her an average of 90 minutes to fix one candy machine.
All right.
Excuse me, sir. I disagree.
All right. Give us your solution.
Okay, sir. So when you find the correct average is actually, sir, 80 minutes to fix one candy machine, sir. So the best the statement that best describes the estimate would be C, sir. Overestimate by less than 10, sir. It wouldn't go over 10, sir, because she overestimated it by exactly 10, so it wouldn't pass 10, sir.
All right. So if what you says is 80 minutes, I think you have a very valid point. So let us see if that's the average. How do we find average?
You add up all the
So
time.
you add and then you divide all the numbers that you have.
Numbers are in the box.
By the total number of numbers that you added, right? So that means
Yes,
that
sir.
will be our first step to add the minutes and get the average. So let's see. So it would be 5, 5, 2,
It would be
5, right?
255.
Yeah, and we divide that. I don't know why they don't give enough space. So we now divide 255 by 3 because we added 3 numbers. All right. Remember we did averaging in class, so let us do that. So 2 into 1 we can't. 2 into 25, that goes 8 times, right? So
Yes,
each 24.
1 time.
1 leave. And then
1.
you carry down the 5, right? So you have 50 now. So it's actually, you know that somebody said it was 85 minutes. Yep. It's actually 85 minutes at the average, you know, guys.
Sir, the answer would be B.
It is an overestimated by less than 10 minutes. So I read 5 minutes, so less than 10 minutes is B. That's what Kayla had said?
Yes,
No.
sir. She said 85.
Yeah, but did she say B? I'm trying to remember.
No, sir. She said
Oh,
A.
it's not an underestimate.
No, sir,
No,
she
sir.
said A.
It's an overestimate, guys,
She
not
said A.
under.
Sir, I said C, but I said 80, sir.
Sir, I did say B.
Actually,
It's
I
actually
said
C.
because it was 85
Because
minutes.
this is an underestimate. right? 90 minutes is not an underestimate. It's an overestimate by less than 10 minutes. So it's C.
So,
C as in,
since they didn't have five, so I said 10.
remember, the actual is 85, but she estimated to be 90. So her estimate is what?
Sir, I understand why it's overestimate now.
Because it's actually 85, but she said 90. So she overestimated. If it actually was 85 and she had said 75, that would be an underestimate. Underestimate means it's lower. Over means it's over. So technically it's over. Hope it clearer. Good job, guys. With the average something.
Sir, also underestimated by 10 less.
Well on, Kayla. What's the actual average?
85, sir.
How much did she estimate it to be?
90.
So is that an over or an underestimate?
Sir, she overestimated.
Yeah, that's what we are saying.
Oh, wait.
Oh, sir.
I still don't get it.
I thought
Sir,
that
what
she
is so wrong
overestimated
by
by
accident?
I still don't
also
get it.
less than 10 could be 5, sir. Oh, I didn't see
So
that.
I still don't get it.
You get it now, Anya?
Yes, sir. I didn't
They
see that
still don't get it.
that's less than 10.
I still don't
Alright,
get
hold
it.
on, guys. We could just use some plain language.
Sir, Kira Miller says she still don't get it.
Alright, let us use some plain language before anything else. Let's forget about this question overall. Suppose I said to you guys, I have some candies in my bag. Estimate how many you think there are. So you're gonna give me an estimate, right? Estimate how you think in that case. Let us say,
An estimate is my opinion.
give me an estimate. How many you think in it, Crew? Give me.
70.
All right, 70.
An estimate is like a wild guess.
All right. So you said your estimate is 70. I'm gonna say no. I actually have 65. This is the actual now. So Crew gets 70, and I'm saying, guys, the actual thing is actually 65. Did Crew underestimate it or overestimate?
Overestimated.
Yeah, because you go over the number.
Yes, sir.
So it's overestimated by less than 10. Because remember, she overestimated by 5. So 5, isn't 5 less than 10? That's how this part comes.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
5 is not less than 10? Somebody says no.
Yes, sir. 5 is less than 10.
Yeah, it's less than 10. So that is how the 10 minutes come in. It's an overestimate by less than 10. Because it's 5. It's the actual one is 5.
You were saying that it was overestimated by 10. That's why I said it was.
No, man, it said less than 10. Less than 10. So, guys, you have to look for the language very carefully. All right? We spend a long time on that.
I didn't see the less than 10, sir.
That's why I say we have to read. And as I say, guys, that's the only thing I'm worried about. You guys are very eager to answer any question they might throw at you. But only thing you have to do, guys, please ensure that you read the questions carefully. And you are answering what they ask you for. All right?
Sir, wait. Work it out wrong.
Oh, sir, remember, Kayla Evans.
The other Kayla now. Kayla Evans.
Oh.
Okay, sir. Jenny is helping her friend Ryan to build a doghouse for his puppy. He told her he needs 9 square units of wood for each of the 3 sides of the doghouse. 9 square units of wood for the floor and 2 panels of 3 square units each for the roof. What information does Jenny still need in order to build the doghouse? Sir, I think it's
B. B as in boy.
The dimension of the doghouse.
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm going to throw it out to the class.
I agree. Same, sir.
I agree.
I
Benjamin
agree,
agrees.
sir.
I agree.
I agree, sir.
All
I
right.
agree too.
All right. Let us look at it. So Jenny is helping her friend Brian to build a doghouse for his puppy. He told her he needs 9 square units of wood for each of the sides, each of the 3 sides. Ooh. Isn't that the dimension though?
Exactly.
I think you need how much money you need to spend.
All right. Somebody said to you, there's 9 square units of wood for each of the 3 sides of the doghouse, and then 9 square units of wood for the floor. These are specific information, 2 panels of 3 square units for each roof. Isn't it specific measurement though?
Sir, I say C.
How much money Brian can spend? But Brian have these things there when he said things.
Exactly.
Oh, what he needs.
No.
Oh, what he needs. Yeah, needs. You never say him have it.
Yes, sir. So that say how much money he can spend, so she
Yes,
can.
sir. So that
So he will
because
give
it
her
didn't say, it didn't say. It basically says he told her he needs. Didn't say that he
Yeah.
has. It says
Oh, that's the
needs.
other Kira. Well, go on. We
Yes.
never
Yes,
hear
ma'am.
the other day. Welcome back, man. Welcome back.
Doghouse.
So guys, I'm thinking how much money
They don't
Brian have.
technically need
Because you would need to purchase this. He's saying that you need it. Say you want to build a house, and somebody say, well, you're gonna need, you don't necessarily have the materials yet. Or they say you're going to need 500 blocks, this amount of steel. You need this. So if you don't have the money, you can buy it. I'm thinking that. But in terms of the dimension, I think they gave the dimension. Because see them say 9 square units of wood. Specifically, you see, for each of the 3 sides of the doghouse. And then they say 9 square units of wood for the floor. So they might give you what you need for the floor, what you need for the sides. Plus they give you the roof. So I think if they already give the dimension, they can actually pitch it and so forth. Like how it would look.
There's some dog houses have the name, but they don't technically need that.
And sir, the money is also the next important part because when you're buying those stuff, you need to have a budget to know that you don't go over it.
Yeah, I think all stuff, Kira, not just some. Everything costs money, guys, and that is why I want you guys to learn, because you guys have to come and earn your own money. The more you learn, the more it's more likely to earn. Yeah, guys, you have to come and earn your money, man. All right. I want someone to turn doctor, nurse, lawyer, whatever you want.
Sir, I want to become a doctor.
Yeah.
So I want to become a nurse and work overseas, like get a scholarship.
Yeah. So when I get old, I can come to you and say, I'm feeling so pain in my knee.
Sir, doctor can work overseas.
Yeah, doctors are everywhere, man.
In high school, and you can go college and university overseas.
Yeah.
Today was my career day.
Can I do first free?
Yeah, man, go ahead, Miller.
So,
Bernard has two to make and in his pocket, which could be the total value of coins. So, sir, it couldn't be 7 because you need like some dollar coins. You need like a $5 coin and 2 more, or like it's just like 7 $1 coins. So that couldn't be it. 23, you need just $20 coin, and you just need like 3 $1 coins. So it's gonna be it. 31, you need like 20, a 10, and a $1. So it
Yep.
would be 15, because you have
See,
a
I
$10
think so as
you can
well.
have so a $5
I agree, sir.
coin.
Yeah, I
So
agree. Because in Jamaica, guys, they don't make
You're gonna have to have a pen.
$3 and
Sir,
$2,
in
right?
Jamaica,
You only have 5,
1,
10,
4,
10,
20,
and
1,
20,
and $1, right?
$1,
All these you have in Jamaica. So you just look to see which of these can give you the combination? We don't have a $30, so it can be 31, right? Because they only have 2 coins. I like how you pointed out the fact that it's 2. That's very important, you know, guys. 2 Jamaican coins. And we know them here now have value, guys.
Sir, and if you were to say B, sir, if you were to
Anya, go
say
ahead. Or Kevin, I'm not sure which of you is talking. Is it Anya or Kevin? Which? Someone was making a point, but I don't catch the voice. I think it's either.
So I think it was
Kevani.
Okay, go ahead, Kevin.
Sir, if you were to have $20, so you'd have to have one $20 and about three $1. That would make
Yeah.
4.
Very good. So that, and they said 2. So that's why I'm glad she pointed out the 2 right here. I notice what they do. What they did, they put it in words. So sometimes students skip over this. If they put this 2, they will notice it more. So these are some of the little things they do to show off your game. Alright. Somebody say if I'm recording. Yes, guys, I'm recording. When you're joining me, did you say that I'm recording?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I mean, I must ball if it's not recording.
Sir, when my phone tells me it's recording, it say Lux Bennett recording. What? Sir, and you will have to play
Alright. But I know somebody named Lennox.
Sir, just say Lux Bennett.
Oh, yeah,
It said
yeah.
Lux
So it
Bennett
said that
recording.
this meeting has been recorded.
I swear, that's what it says.
All right, thanks so much. I'm happy for that. All right. So guys, this one says for items 34 to 36, each question contains 2 quantities. In column A and 1 in column B. Compare the 2 quantities. Guys, may I volunteer somebody? Stefan.
Can I do it, please?
I want to go whenever when.
Yeah, let's someone who wanted to try and I didn't work yet. Let someone do.
Stefan, you want to try this one? Are you too shy?
Yes, sir.
All right, try it, man. I like when everyone is involved, man. I think you guys are awesome.
Sir,
Yeah, Abby.
can I do number 14?
Sir, can I do 34?
Number 14 is gone.
I think we're at 34. All right, give Stefan the chance, guys, and then we can discuss.
Sir,
we have
can
a
I
next
do
paper that wants to
35?
complete. So right and far. I don't want to keep you guys too long.
Sir, can I do 35?
All right, Sydney. All right, let me small it up. Everyone can try now, guys. Even those persons who are not a part of our class, you are free to try it, all right? Everyone's opinion is valid. Everyone.
For items 34 to 36, each question contains 2 quantities, 1 in column A and 1 in column B. Compare the 2 quantities and choose the correct response. The quantity in column A is greater. The quantity in column B is greater. The 2 quantities are equal. The relationship between the 2 quantities cannot be determined from the information given.
Sir, can I say my answer?
No, man. Let him get, what's your answer first, Stefan? And then we can discuss after.
Sir, I think it is B.
Sir, can I tell you my answer?
Sir, he said his answer.
What he said? I didn't hear you.
I think he said B. I think he said
Yes,
B.
sir, he said B.
B.
I agree with him.
I agree.
I
too.
Sir,
agree
I
with
disagree, sir. Sir, I think it's D.
I
B as in
agree.
dog.
As
Only
in
number,
dog, sir.
sir.
Can I
Sir,
explain my
I think
answer?
it's B as in
Hold on
boy.
a clue. Hold on clue. I heard, man. We're focusing on the different answer. So go ahead, Kayla. Explain why you think it's B.
Sir, I think it's D, sir, because, sir, you cannot say that column B is greater than column B is greater than column A, sir, because you do not know what A is. A could
Yes,
be
exactly.
18.
Sir, may I give my
All right, let's
explanation of
put that to the test.
sir?
Let us say 18 plus 5.
Sir, may I give explanation?
It would still be bigger because 7 is a bigger
Sir,
number.
there's a timer on my
I'll be
screen.
18
That's
plus 7 will
23.
give you a larger
Sir, I
answer
think it's B as in
18
in
and
dog.
20.
some
Sir, sorry
cases.
to disturb, but there's a timer on my
It's
screen.
45 for
B as
25
in
for
dog.
column A, 25 for
Sir, B
column
as
B.
in dog because
Sir,
you
Guys,
25
know
for
what.
because for
column
your
B.
syllabus, we don't use negative numbers. I
Excuse
would say
sir,
Yeah,
may I
even for the
explain?
it
same
has to be
Sir,
a
like
positive
if you
numbers
take a random
because
number and
18
add it
plus 7,
to both
18,
of them,
19,
which one is
22.
greater?
sir, I know why it's column B
18
because
plus
look
7,
at the
18
numbers
plus
beside
7
it.
is 25.
yeah, is 25 greater than 23?
Yeah,
Yes,
sure.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, or sir, you could say that column B is greater than column A is because look at the numbers that they give you 5 and 7. You can just see which one is
Because these
greater.
two are the same. It's the same A.
Develop point
And
card.
since you guys
Yes,
don't do negative numbers, because that's not a part of your syllabus, we would say it is
Excuse
for
me.
real.
But sir, we
Sir,
do.
and if you realize that they're both A's, right? So that means
Yeah,
a number either has to be equal
yeah,
in
it
some
has to be the
S,
same number. So
but
whatever
it would
number you
still
put
be
in
big
column
in
A, it
column
has to be the
B.
same number. Yeah, good
But it would
point.
still be big in column B.
It's the same A, guys. It wasn't like A plus 5 and B plus 7. We couldn't conclude that because we don't know the value. However, since you guys don't do negative numbers as part of your syllabus, it's more like it's a positive number. And even if you put 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 7 is 7. Column
It's
B
still the
will
greater.
always be greater.
Exactly.
sir. So does the number is 5 greater than 7 or 7 greater than 5?
Yeah, because A is the same thing. So it's always going to be greater by how many? Column B would be always greater by what number?
2 more, sir.
2, yeah. So if you put 10, you'll get 15. And 10 plus 7, 17. It's 2 more.
Sir, did you put a timer on the screen?
I did not. I saw it there. I thought one of
Oh,
my...
sir, the meeting would supposed to done in an hour.
Oh.
No, are you time it?
No,
No,
sir,
sir,
it's
I don't know who timed it, but there's a time on it.
no, it's
It was
actually
me,
as
sir.
says
It was
for
me by
A.
accident,
Guys,
sir.
I'm paying for Zoom. There's no limit on it.
Sir, so I think it's
Sir, it
saying if
was
you don't
CB,
end in an
sir.
hour, it's going
Sir,
to end the
sir,
meeting.
Yes,
It's
going
not
to end the
supposed to
meeting
do
by
that.
itself.
Sir,
It's
it's
me.
CB.
It's me, sir. It's me.
Oh.
I was
They
just
can
So I'm
just
reminding
saying
end
I
you.
it.
can't be paying Zoom. That's it don't cut off and they're gonna tell me that it cut off. Alright. Sydney, a bad man technology, you know that realize. Alright, who wants to do 35?
Me, sir, if nobody wants.
Me,
Sir,
sir.
someone said they wanted to do
Shana,
it.
you like where you go already?
Someone asked you for it to do it.
Yeah,
They're
let
gonna
that
do
person
it.
ask first. Sorry about that. Who would ask first?
Me, sir.
Alright, go ahead.
All right, it said that column A is a 1/5 of 25, and column B is 5/2 of 2. Uh, that question is look like asking which one is larger, whatever. So, sir, I think the answer is 5.
Take your time, man. Take your time. In the
Said
meantime, guys, work it out in the meantime. So
I'm finding one 5
Sir, I
over.
forgot my answer.
Sir, C.
See, the two quantities are equal.
Sir,
Are you
both
sure?
of them would equal to
Are
5.
you okay?
All right.
Because, sir, I
Do we
found
agree
1
that,
2
guys?
of
She said both
25
of
and
them
it's
are
5.
equal to
And I
5,
found
right?
5 over 2 of 2 and it's
Sir,
5.
I agree, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I agree because when for column A 154 over 25, it gives you a total of 5. On 5 over 2 of 2 is equal to 5. So that means the quantities are equal.
Very good.
Exactly.
Let me just show it, guys, just in case someone might not see.
Sir, I'm still wondering who I got 5 over 2 of 2.
Wait, I'm gonna show you. So half mean multiply, so it will be 25 over 1. So as Kira number 1 says, 5 into this would be 1, 5 into this, 5 times. So 1 times 5.
Oh, sir, I understand now.
Alright, and for 5 over 2, yeah man, I'm still gonna show you, know Mr. Benita already, guys.
Yes, sir.
It will be 2 over 1. So when you
So
cancel
that's
2, cancel 2.
So you cancel the 2
Yeah.
and you multiply 5 and 1.
Very good, guys, very good.
Sir,
Yeah, Killian.
I think I learned something like that today in revision.
Awesome. Whatever you learn, guys, just make sure
I
you
learned
say
this
it.
yesterday.
If you're not sure about it, ask the teacher to explain.
Says that, I didn't remember, but I was thinking about like you multiplying the 5 2 of the 2.
Yeah, half mean to multiply.
I don't remember because my teacher stopped doing that. She did it like a month ago. That's
Yeah,
why.
but you have it in your book. That's why I said you are supposed to be going over your stuff. So whatever you go
Yes, I
over.
just didn't remember, but I forgot I actually multiplied them.
Sir, can I do this one?
Alright, go ahead. Because we want to do the next paper, guys. But I don't want to keep you much over 8 o'clock because you guys deserve the rest also. So go
Yes,
ahead.
sir. I have to go
Yes,
to
sir,
bed.
and I have to go to bed early tomorrow for exam Thursday.
Sir,
Yes, my teacher told me that I have to go to my
me
bed
asked
early
to
today.
35 and I didn't get to do it.
Alright. The 37. Here, I didn't hear. The 37.
It's okay. I can do 37.
Yeah. So you can get it, man. It's not a problem. Somebody have them read
It's
Guys, mute that person. It's Anya. Anya, mute yourself here.
no,
It's not you.
no, sir.
Let me do it. Alright, go ahead, Kira.
Wait, sir, which Kira? Number 1 or 2?
Number 1. She had volunteered. I don't hear her.
Okay. So, sir, can I get some bit of time? I'm working it out.
I should
I'm
ask her
working it
if
out.
she can get a bit of time. She's working it out.
Okay. Oh, you're working too. Not a problem.
I think it's using Hello?
Sir, I got my answer.
Alright, thanks so much.
I say B.
The quantity in column B is greater. Do we agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Because if y is greater than
Because
z,
if you
that means
realize that
x
the
is
Y,
Wait, what was the
it's
answer?
point the most
What was the
The two
pointing at
person
it.
talking at
And
once, guys.
Wait,
You have to listen.
what did the person think?
But what was the answer for the person?
Exactly. B.
As in bat.
Boy, but whatever.
Our boy, yeah.
Oh, sir, no, sir. I thought she said A.
No? I heard B. Oh, make sure, Kira, you had said A?
No, sir.
Oh, because I know I heard B. So do we agree that it's B? Kira, explain your answer. Think we
Yeah,
can-
explain.
I agree that it's B.
Sir, can I explain it?
All right, go ahead, Juvi.
So, sir, so it's saying X is larger than W, and Y is larger than X, and Z is larger than Y. So, sir, you can realize that the two biggest letters are Y and Z, sir.
That is it. Because it says W is less than X. X is less than Y. So you see, guys, why we have to know the notation and all of those things? Very good. So Y and Z would be the two larger numbers. Very good. Parents
But
must
Miss
be proud of
Sir,
you.
it said that they said that X is greater than Y.
Sir,
No, look at what it said less than, you know, look. It said less than, so you can turn it around.
sir,
Oh.
Guys, hold on.
sir, what was the answer for number 36? You know, when I was supposed to explain, my
It
mic
was
was
B.
closed. I
Perfect
said I
is
know
B.
number 37.
36 is B. Somebody has
No,
volunteered already, though, Kayla.
somebody volunteered for 35, but they didn't get to do it, so they were supposed to do it.
Hold on, guys. Look at this one. Somebody asking about 36. They can't see the answer. Let's listen to what it says. It says W is less than X, which also means that X is greater than W. If X is less than W, that means W. If W is less than X, it means that X is greater than W. So that's how Juvian look at it. So it's correct. Because let's put a number to it. Let us say this was 1 and this was 2. 1 is less than 2. And 2 is also greater than 1. So it does look at it a different way. Nothing is wrong with that. Alright? So in fact, Y and Z would be the two largest numbers. Larger than. Alright? I want to finish off the paper here, guys.
37.
Alright, go ahead.
Sir, someone asked to do 37 before
Oh,
her.
somebody asked to do
Sir, Sydney had asked.
Alright, go ahead. Sorry, Killian. Sorry about that.
Sydney asked. Sydney.
Yeah, man. Go ahead, Sydney.
Four children stand in line. Molly is first in line. Jack is next to Molly. Eric is between Sue and Jack. Who's at the end of the line? Eric is between Sue and Jack. To be between Sue and Jack, the way that they put it, Sue would be in front of Eric, and Jack would be behind Eric. So the last person at the end of the line would be Jack.
Sir, I agree.
Do we agree, guys?
Sir, I do not agree. I agree, sir.
Alright, Kayla, explain why.
I don't agree.
The reason I said that I don't agree is
I
because
don't
you said that
agree, sir.
Eric is between Sue and Jack. So that means that Eric is either above Eric, Eric is above Sue.
Because it says Jack is next to Molly.
No, but it said
Sir,
between.
can I explain, sir?
Wait, guys, one at a time. I think we are jumping. I know the excitement, you know. Go ahead, Kayla. Start
So
over.
I said my answer is Sue because it said that Eric is between Jack and Sue, so Eric has to be before Sue.
Alright. And can I get the explanation for Jack again? Oh, you got Jack. Sydney?
Sir, I get it now. I'm wrong.
Oh, yeah.
Because I just realized Jack is behind Molly and Molly is first. I thought Jack was where. I thought Jack was at the back of the line because he said Sue and Jack. So for Eric to be between them, I thought Jack would have to be at the back of the line, but no. Sue is actually the answer.
Okay. Let me
Yeah,
say.
because
Alright, let me try to see it
President
for myself,
41.
guys. So it's
I
a four
just said
children stand in line. Molly is first, so we know that Molly is first. He said Jack is next to Molly, so I'm assuming that Jack would go right here next to Molly, since it's a line, right? And then he said Eric is between Sue and Jack.
Sir, Sue is the answer.
No, sir. Sue would be behind Jack, and
I'm saying Sue.
Eric would be
I'm
on
thinking
Sue's
it's Jack,
side.
Sir, I said D.
Dolphin.
Alright, Jack
I
is next
said
to
D
Molly.
is
We get
Sue.
that, right? And then he said Eric.
Sue, sir, it's Sue.
I'm thinking Sue. Oh, hold on. Oh, it's the same Jack, man. So Eric, I Sue for two guys.
Jack and Jack is next, but and Molly's a Sue.
Sir, Jack.
Sir,
Sir, can
I
I
know,
explain?
Sir, now I understand why it's Sue.
Sir,
Yeah,
can
it's
I
Sue for
explain,
real.
please?
Because look, I
That
was
was
thinking
for
of a
the
different.
same Jack.
Because Jack
Sir,
is
can
like
I
Jack,
explain?
behind
Jack
Molly.
here, Jack and Eric is between Jack and Sue. See there, he has to be between Jack and Sue. So definitely, yeah, it's Sue for real. Guess what? Throw me off. I was thinking, I wasn't remembering this is the same Jack up here. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, so I was gonna put another Jack and then I saw it. It's Sue for real. Any volunteer for 38?
Me.
All right, go ahead, Killian.
I want to
It was
go.
supposed to be you, know? Sorry about that.
Okay. Alyssa's birthday is tomorrow. Yesterday was Friday. What day is Alyssa's birthday? Sunday.
You just read it and decide right away.
Yes, yes, sir. Because while you were doing 37, I was analyzing it in my
Okay,
brain.
okay, all right. Do we agree, guys? She says Sunday.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think I would agree because it
Yes,
says
sir.
Alicia's
Because the
birthday
current day is
is
Saturday.
tomorrow. Yesterday was Friday. That means if yesterday
Tomorrow,
was
which is
Friday, today would be Saturday, right? If yesterday was Friday,
Yes,
that
sir.
means today would be if yesterday was Friday, today would have been
And
Saturday.
tomorrow.
And they said tomorrow is the birthday, so Sunday. All right, good job, good job. I agree.
I do 39.
Yeah, man, go ahead. As guys, you want to start the next paper?
Consider the number sentence box times box equal triangle. Triangle and square stand for all numbers. Each triangle stands for the same number. The triangle can be the same number or a different number from triangle. Then square then triangle can be any of these numbers except I can't see D.
Yeah, I know. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Can I answer in peace? Sir, I think it's can I come back?
Come on, go ahead. Answer. You can go ahead. We didn't get a response to me. I want to decline.
Excuse me, sir. Someone asked for 40 long time ago.
Guys, you're focusing on 39 though. I didn't get a response.
Sir, can I tell you my answer?
Yeah.
I say not
Sir,
after.
I think 8, sir. Because it says that
Sir, I say C.
Sir, because it says each box stands for the same number, sir. And so, 4 times 2 would be 4. 7 is the same number. 5 times 5 is 25, which is the same number. And 0 times 0 is 0. The same number. So my answer would actually be C.
That person is very low.
Sorry, it's the first one. 49.
Can I go now?
Yeah, man, go ahead.
I think it's
I think it's B.
It's an except, you know.
Except?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think person cannot ignore that one.
So what is, sir, but isn't the answer A?
Sir, I think the answer is A.
Why A?
Sir, because
I want to answer it. So can I explain?
Right, go ahead, Tiana. Tiana is gonna explain. Go ahead.
So I think the answer is C, 8. Because it said to have two numbers that can multiply it into one to all the numbers in the thing. But so 0 times 0 is 0, times 2 is 4, but there's no number that is the same that can give you 8. But 5 times 5 is 25.
sir, I agree, sir. Yes, sir, I agree with her.
So you're saying 8. So 8 times 8 would be 64, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And you're saying that 25 times 25 couldn't be 25 times 25? Alright, you say consider the number sentence, box times box equal to this. Square and triangle stands for whole numbers. So we know say it's whole number. You say each square stands for the same number. You get that? If triangle can be the same number, so it can be the same or a different number from box, then box can be any of these two except.
Sir, I'm back. I get the answer.
Alright. Share it with us.
Ready. Sir, 25.
How you get 25?
Miss, sir, because the rest of them are all numbers.
25 is a whole number too. Zero
Yes,
is
sir,
also.
but it says that triangle can be the same number or a different number from triangle. So, and it says that the one of them can be, but any of these numbers except, sir, and four fours is
16.
4 fours is 16, and 0 times 0 is 0. 8 8 64, and 25 times 25 is 215, sir.
It's actually 625. I'll put it right here.
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to make sense of this, but I'm not seeing. It's a consider the number sentence. We know say the square is supposed to be the same number, right? And it says The square and that stand for whole numbers. We get that. If
Sir.
square stand for the same number, we get that also. If triangle can be the same number, so it can be the same as the square.
Sir.
Sir.
Yeah, Abby, go ahead.
It says if triangle can be the same number or a different number from square, then triangle can be any of these numbers except. So I said my answer was 8 because 25 is a square number, which means a number multiplied by itself would equal to 25. 2 times 2 is 4, and 0 times 0 is 0.
Oh, this them ask for you. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Guys, at this them, I think we're trying to find the box, but this they actually ask for.
Can I
So
quite
it's
get
a
your answer?
square number. Right. Guess what? I was thinking that they asked for this. I didn't realize that, guys, is the product they asked it for. It couldn't be 8 because there's no number you can multiply by itself to give you 8. I think I was thinking about the square, but it's not the square they asked for. It's when Abby said it's the triangle they asked for. See there, the product. It's easy, man. It's actually
Sir.
8.
Sir.
Hmm?
Can Simika answer 40 because I didn't get to answer 39?
All right. And we are going to go to the next one, guys, for the next 30 minutes.
Sir, it says that Paul had a handful of $1 coins. He changes as many of them as he could for $10 coins and 4 $1 coins left over. How many $1 coins could be he have had? Sir, I think the answer is Sir, can I do it?
Come on,
Yeah,
let
no, dear.
her do it. And then we can
Sir, can I explain after her?
No man, we're gonna go to the next people. Make her answer first and then.
Sir, I think it's
What's your response?
Sir, 80.
Sir, can I do it?
Yeah man, go ahead. Juvain.
Sir, I disagree, sir.
What's your response?
Sir, my answer is B, 44.
I agree. Guys,
Yes, sir.
it says 4 coins left. I remember it was only $1, right? So he said only $1. So
Sir, you can divide the options by 10 to find your answer, sir.
yeah. So I agree. Because think about it. Let's say he had 44 $1 and the change out in $10. We still have the 4 $1 left. This is the only one that have 4 $1 left, right? And it's only $1 and it changed out in 10. So he didn't get another 10 out of it. So 4 left. Couldn't be 26, couldn't be this, couldn't be 80. Because he could literally get, if you gonna change it in $10, you would have $10. But you couldn't have 4 left. Alright, next paper, guys. You can see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So I could try go
Yes,
through
sir, I
that
can
one.
see the screen, sir.
All right. It said which in out table follow the rule in minus 7 equal out. See, I guess I have to show you. A.
No, sir, no, sir, no.
Okay. Look at it, guys. Which one follow the rules in
D, I want to
minus
see.
Sir,
7
can I see
equal out?
these?
Sir, I'm saying D now.
Sir, I got my answer.
What's your answer?
D.
D as
D,
in
sir.
dog, right?
Because
Yes,
when you
sir.
subtract 10 from 7 is 3 and 11 from
Sir,
7
That's
is
4.
2. So
Yeah.
7 from 11 is 4. Yeah.
And 12 take away 7, 5, 13.
5 and
Yeah,
13.
because
6.
remember, in order to get out, we basically subtract 7 from in. So that's the rule, right? So you have to look at the key part.
Sir,
Mhm. All right, let's
Sir.
move on.
what time is class over?
Somebody put a time on it, 28 minutes from now. A store had 91 pack of rulers at the start of the day. A little more than half, you can't see this because this is something more right. Hold on, a little more than half of the number of packs of rulers were sold throughout the day, which could be the number of packs of rulers left. Anyone?
Sir, I got B. Sir?
Yeah, man, what you got, Kayla?
Oh, I got B.
Sir, I think it's B.
I don't think it's B. This is my reason why I don't think it's B. If you divide this by 2, right, you'll get 40.
5.5.
Let's call it 46. So it says more than half was sold, a little more than half.
Sir
So
says C.
Okay,
That probably 51.
I think
it couldn't be
it's
51.
Sir
Guys.
says
If you sell 46, little more than half. So 46 and a half. So let's say you sell 47 then. That's a little more than half. 91 take away 47. Couldn't be 51. So have to be a number less.
Sir, my
than the
answer is
half.
42, sir.
Yeah, I agree that it's 42, guys, because a little less than half. A little less than half was sold, so that would definitely be about 42 was left.
Sir, I did this paper in class.
Awesome. You should be able to get all correctly. Oh, this one is upside down. Hello?
Oh, my teacher was also upside down.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Sir, but the last one said it was a little more.
Sure, Jimmy.
Well, I'm in a class now, so me have to go call you back here because I'm actually in a class now. Who want to do this one, guys?
Me, sir.
Alright, go ahead.
Sir, I didn't get to do anything. Jamie read 7 books last year, with each book having approximately 200 pages. This year, he read books, each having approximately 250 pages. Which information is needed to find out if he increased his reading? Sir, I said my answer is B. The number of books he
Sir, I
read.
said my answer is B.
B.
Sir, because it already tells you how many books he read last year, so you need to know how many books he read this year.
Okay.
Sir, my answer is B as in boys.
Alright.
I agree, sir.
Yeah, so he said Jamie read 7 books last year. So 7 book last year with each book having approximately 200 pages. This year, he reads books, each having approximately 250 pages. Which information is needed to find out if he increase his book? If he increase the book reading. The number of books he read last year, the number of books he read this year. But they already said he read 7 books last year. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's correct. Because they are saying that he read 7 last year, so we need to know how many he read this year. Good job. 27. To estimate the product of 421 and 513, Nesta multiplied 400 by 500. Would Nesta estimate be more or less than the actual product? What's the response for that one?
Sir, I said D less because he wrote the both numbers down, sir.
I agree. Remember, guys, it's 421, right? And you rounded 400 and 500. So whatever he get, his estimate would be less. Everybody see that? Because he read he lower down this by 21 and by 13. So this is one big number. It's gonna be less. 236, 2 1s 2, 133. So he made it by about less by about 166 by doing that. Alright, as he round both of them down, as Jeremiah said. Alright, which of the following is more likely to be an estimate than an exact number? A, the balance due on a water bill. B, the population of boys in Kingston. C, the change received after purchasing an item. D, the number of cars a car dealer orders.
C, sir.
More likely.
Change receiving purchasing.
Sir,
I said C, sir. I said C as well, sir. I agree.
More likely to be. Sir, I said the population of boys in Kingston.
I say B. Can I explain?
Yeah.
Oh, sir, I changed my answer, sir. I changed my answer to B, sir. I did not read the question properly, that's why.
Sir, so the reason why I chose B, the population of
yes, sir, that is correct. B, sir.
Wait, now guys, one at a time. Go ahead.
The population of boys in Kingston is because A says the balance due to a water bill. You can estimate that exact number. The population of boys in Kingston, you can take the estimation of the exact number, but the next day a boy is going to be born.
Okay.
Sir, yes, sir. I say B.
Listen to what it says. Which
Yes,
of the following is more likely to be an estimate than an exact number?
Sir, I say B, sir. Why, sir? Because there are boys in Kingston, but you would know the exact number. You would just have to pick a random number and say this is the population of boys in Kingston when it's not actually.
Yeah. Because think about it. The car dealer, him going to order exact amount of cars, right? If 8,000 cars in want, you're going to order 8,000. So that's going to be exact. If you understand, your change are going to be exact. The balance on your water bill, I agree. I think that kind of trick is set up a way where it was a bit tricky, you know? That was a bit tricky though. As I was thinking, they said would be an exact number.
Sir, it said more likely to be
an estimate. Yeah, I agree. Because your change is going to be exact because that's going to come out of a machine. So whatever change you get, you're going to get an exact change, not an estimate.
Excuse me, sir.
You Tiana.
Can I do number 30, please?
All right. Can we have one for 29?
30.
Sir,
Me,
can I
sir,
read,
me, sir,
please?
me,
Me,
sir.
sir.
All right.
Did I ask before that integer?
All right. Guys, let's do that one. I think I heard her voice first. Go ahead, Clue.
Okay, sir. Kayla had a book with 108 pages. She read 10 pages every day. Which statement is the closest estimate of the number of days it took her to read the entire book? Sir, I would say A. 108 pages round to 100, and 100 divided by 10 equals 10 days.
Sir, I disagree.
Sir, I
All right.
disagree.
Sir, I disagree, sir. I think it's D as in dog, sir. D as in dog.
So can I do B, sir? So can I do 30,
Wait,
sir?
guys, wait. Before we say that, right? What's the answer for this one? Persons are moving on before completing this one.
Yes, ball.
C?
Yes, sir. B as in ball.
Oh, B.
B.
All right, so look at it, guys. It said Kaylee has a book with 108 pages. She read 10 pages every day. Which statement is the closest estimate to the number of days it took her to read? Clue, if she read it for 10 days, right? It's gonna be 100. So 8, you're short at 8 pages. So it has to be at least 11 pages. You see? Because
Sir,
108.
I have my answer.
But Clue, no rush it, man. Take your time. I think because you rush your answer, that's why you get that. Alright? So it's actually B.
30.
Okay, sir.
Alright, go for 30 now. Let's go.
Okay.
Aiden, I know you asked for one, Aiden.
I
Yeah.
want to know 33,000. Which amount could this be?
You
So
said I
Sir, I say B 32,875. That is very close to 33,000.
He said John Carwash made some money close to 32,000. Which amount would this be? 31,500, 32.
I agree with B.
B. Yeah. Because you round it up, guys. You round it up. Right? So it would be 32,000. Because it passed 500, you round it up. This would be close to 32 when you round it up.
Sir, I will say B, sir. I will say B, sir.
Yeah. Aiden, go ahead now.
Excuse me, sir.
Come on, go ahead.
Sir, you said I could do 30.
Sorry about that. The 32. Aiden, go ahead. I thought that was you.
No, sir, it was me, Anya.
Oh, but Anna, you never use. So where you go? All right, Aiden. You want to do this one, Aiden?
Sir, I want to do number 30 instead.
Come on, the 32. Aiden has volunteer for 30 and a movie.
Can I see the rest of the options?
Yeah, man, you can.
33 instead.
Can you zoom it out for me, please?
Okay. Number 31. A rectangle shown below is divided into equal parts. 2 parts are shaded. Which of the shapes below has the same value as the shaded parts above? Okay. So
Sir, can I see these? A, sir. A.
I agree. Sir, I say A.
Sir, aren't I supposed to do number 31?
Yeah, A.
Guys, just give him a chance, all right? Go ahead, Aiden.
I say it's A.
The A also, all right. Let's look at it, guys.
Sir, my answer.
A.
Sir, my answer is A.
Yes, sir. I agree with.
Because it's also 10 and A and 2 shade.
I agree, sir.
Sir, may I explain something, please?
Yeah, guys, I don't think there's not much to explain. It's just 2/10, both of them, right?
No, sir, I want to explain something.
What you want to explain here?
So since that this is true that they can show us like when they reduce it. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, man, what's there to explain? Go ahead.
So saying that it's true that they can reduce the sir. Like instead of saying this showing the exact amount, they can reduce it to something else.
But would you need to
Can be like that.
reduce it if you get both fractions exactly as it is? I think it's pretty straightforward. Because it's give you 2/10. It's not like they give you 1/5 or so. Or 3/15. It's exactly 2/10. Both of them is the same. So
Sir,
I don't think it's that complex.
sir,
Yeah,
sir,
Abby,
can I do number 32?
I think somebody has volunteered before doing it. Who was the person to go for this one?
Sir, you said I should do it because I didn't get to do numbers.
Yeah, that's what I said. Go ahead.
It's okay.
Carl wants to use his as a measuring tool to tell the width of a room. Which information is necessary for Carl to record after measuring? A. The number of tiles in the room. B. The number of toes on his foot. C. The number of times his foot covered the distance. Or D. The number of times he measured the width of his foot. Sir, I think it's C. The number of times his foot covered the distance.
Oh, C.
Yes, sir.
I
We
agree.
agree, guys. Carl wants to use
Yes,
his feet
sir.
as a
I agree.
measuring tool.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I agree as
To
well,
tell the width
sir.
of a room. Which information is necessary for Carl to record after measuring? Yeah. Only be the number of tools. That's kind of weird. The number of tiles in the room, no. But how many times it actually covers? Yeah, I agree, guys. That would be it. Alright, good job. Alright, so the person who had asked for 32 and didn't get it, you can do this one. Hello?
Sir, I was the one who asked for 32 and didn't get it.
Who had volunteered for 32 and it was our next person.
Sir, it was
Abigail.
me. Sir, it
Alright,
was
go ahead,
me.
Abigail.
The shape below is being turned to form a pattern.
Boy.
Which of the following represents the next turn? So it will be my clockwise motion. So the first the tick is upright, then the curved part is turned up, then the curved part is turned to the right, the curved part is turned to the lower right, and then again it is turned normal. My answer would be, just looking at the three options, sir, my answer would be bat.
Miss, I agree, sir.
Sir, I agree, sir.
Sir, because it's
I agree,
melted.
sir.
Agree, sir.
Sir, I agree.
Okay, sir.
So it's just spinning around in circles. And if it was to be the other pattern, it would be that. Mhm.
I agree, guys. I agree. To somebody that play music, that's why I make it myself. All right, I agree. This one says, select the number that comes next in the sequence of numbers below. 8, 16, 26, 34, 44, 52. Which number come next?
Sir, can I do it? 62.
I think Kalia did want it to go, guys. Kalia, you wanted to do this one? Like how you just do the other one, Tiana?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Her hand was open. I didn't see. Go ahead.
I see.
Kalia,
I
you have
think
the
that,
music in your background? Okay.
yes, sir.
That's not good enough, man. All right, go ahead.
I think that is 62.
All right, guys. Do we agree that it's 62, class?
Sir, can I say why 62?
Say it fast, please.
Sir, it's because they're counted by 8, then they're counted by.
Yes, sir. I agree 62, sir. Because they counted by 8 and then they count by 10, sir.
26 plus 8. Yeah. So it's C?
Yes, sir, 62.
Yeah, correct. All right. The person that didn't get this one, that was Tiana. You want to do this one? You didn't get the previous one.
Sir, me?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Carlos has 12 boxes that each weigh the same amount. What would be a quick way for him to find out the total weight of the 12 boxes? A. Add 12 to the weight of one of the boxes. B. Subtract 12 from the weight of one of the boxes. C. Divide the weight of one of the boxes by 12. Or D. Multiply the weight of one of the boxes by 12. So I think my answer is D. Multiply the weight of one of the boxes by 12.
All right. Do we agree, guys? They have 12 boxes.
Sir, I agree.
That each weigh the same amount. It would be a quick way to find the total weight. Yeah.
So which answer did you pick? A, B, C, or D?
D.
Yes, sir.
I agree, sir.
All right. So let's move on to 36. I want to see if we can complete the entire paper in the 2 hours. So we have. I don't want to keep you much because, you know, you guys deserve to get some rest too.
Sir, and I have homework to do.
36. Selena asked 60 students to name their favorite juice. She recorded at the table below. And it's a favorite juice. You have juice type apple,
Sir,
orange, plum.
I can't see the chart.
Which pie chart? You
pie
not seen the chart?
I'm not seeing the pie chart.
Oh, but wouldn't you want to study the table first?
Oh.
Yeah. Study the table first and then you look at the pie chart. So let's go. It says, Selena asked 60 students to name. She recorded data in the table below. So apple at 20, orange at 15, June plum 15, star fruit 10. Which pie chart represents Selena data? So look
Sir,
at
can you scroll down?
Hmm?
Sir, can you scroll down?
All right.
Sarah
Sir,
got
sir. My answer
Sir,
is D.
for my answer.
D, sir.
Sir, D.
Dog.
D as in dog.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
D man.
Sir, it could be C, sir. It couldn't be C because it did not say
Sir,
All right, so I could eliminate C. Someone say it couldn't be C.
because it's the same amount.
Why it couldn't be A?
Sir, because orange and June plum it's supposed to be the same, and June plum looks like it's like a little bit more than orange.
All right, so we could eliminate that and that. And also, star fruit is not so much, right?
Yes, sir. It's only supposed to be
Star
10.
fruit is half of apple, and that look like the same as apple. So we can eliminate.
Sir, and it couldn't be B because June plum and orange are supposed to be the same, and orange is more than June plum.
Okay, good job. You guys are awesome. So it would be D then. Star fruit smaller, yeah. Bam, 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 bam. Good job, guys. 37.
Sir, C, 56 and 62.
Do we agree, guys?
Sir, I agree.
Yes, sir, I agree.
So basically, it's like they added 6 here. So
I agree.
Yes, sir. I agree. It's C. 56 and 62. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, on to 38. Good job. The graph shows the number of minutes it takes to make different numbers of posters. Time needed to make the posters, and they have the different type of posters.
1 minute.
If the pattern continues, how many minutes will it take to make 6 posters?
Sir, I can't see answer D.
Oh, you can't see.
Sir, my answer is C, 60 minutes.
Alright, so you have this here, so you go so 1, 2, 1, 2.
Sir, I know why it's 60 minutes because it's going by like the exact number.
So this for 5 it would be 1, 2. That are 5,
So
right?
this one they're adding
And
by
then
10.
1, 2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So for 6.
So like, sir, if it's 2, it's 20. If it's 3, 30.
Yeah.
Like, or if
It's
it's
correct.
7, it's 70.
39. Point A marks the position of the 15th person in the line for the show. How many people are behind the wall? How many people are behind the wall waiting in the line? Oh. Where was it? Point A marks the position of the 15th person. How many persons are behind the wall waiting in the line?
Sir, I think
12. B, sir.
12.
They have 15, 14,
B, sir.
and 13.
So there's an easier way to do it. Because the A is the 15 and at the last position that's 17. So you can just subtract the 5 that are not behind the wall.
Yeah.
Well,
So 12 they're behind it. Either way, guys, it's the same thing. So it's exactly 3 seconds.
Sir, excuse me, sir. The timer doesn't stop the.
No, it's not supposed to stop the meet.
So it just says time's up. So I don't know what they were talking about.
Because somebody put it there.
Somebody put it on. All right. So use the bus sign and
The
stopwatch.
person said
You
5
see that,
minutes.
guys? The stopwatch, not stop us. Use the bus stop sign and the watch to answer question. Answer the question. Bus stop. The bus comes every 15 minutes. starting at 5:30 a.m. and ending at 11 p.m. Based on the time shown on the watch, when is the bus scheduled to arrive next?
Sir, I got my answer.
Sir,
3:30.
I think it's 3:35, sir, because that's 15 minutes from
Sir, the answer is B.
Sir, it's actually
Sir, the
3:40.
answer is 3:40.
3:40.
Hold on there, guys. I'm thinking,
I said 3:30.
I think it's 3:30. Let me tell you why I
Yes,
said
sir.
that.
I said 3:30
Look
as
at it,
well.
guys. It says the bus comes every 15 minutes, starting at 5:30. So no matter what you do it, 5:30. Why next time from 5:30?
6:30.
6:30.
No, 5:45. No 15 minutes, you say. And then 6 o'clock. And it will continue like that. 6:15. And then you get exactly 7 o'clock. So if it's at 3:25, it 3:30 after the time. Because it will go
Sir, I
fast.
got 3:30.
Sir, 3:40.
Oh, it should be 3:40. This
Sir,
is what they say now.
3:35.
Them never
Sir,
say. Listen, guys, hold on.
I'm going to go look at the paper right now.
Hold on, guys. The question did not say it's 50 minutes from the watch, you know. It said the bus comes every 15 minutes. The starting time, 5:30. So the first bus will come 5:30. Next one, 5:45. The next one, 6 o'clock. Then 6:15, 6:30, 6:45, 7 o'clock, 7:15, 7:30.
Sir, the answer is A. I agree.
It's A, man, it's A. They deliberately put this time to throw you off. So you add 50 minutes to this. But they gave you the information that you need. They said that the bus comes every 15 minutes, starting at 5:30 a.m. and end at 11 p.m. So you see, it's every 50 minutes, which is 4
But
times.
sir, the question says based on the time shown on the watch. When is the bus scheduled to arrive next? So, sir, you're going to add 15 minutes to the time on the watch.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, because it said based on the timer shown on the watch.
I disagree. I think it's 3:30. Watch show anytime, you know, but is what is scheduled to come. So guys, this is the last question. For the night. Thanks guys for coming out and take. I don't think it's 3:40.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Will it be
The
3:40?
bus does not depend on the time when
There's
you watch.
no way
See?
in this map.
The time, I don't think it's gonna depend on the time that you watch this. The only clue why they have the watch, you know, is to say that what time of day it is. You got to me, I say, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you got to know when the next
The
best is
AM and
scheduled based on the
PM.
what. Because they have to give you a time to work with. Suppose it was 3. All right, let's just say it was 3:50. Does that mean that the next bus is going to come 4:05? I don't think so.
No, sir. It's
We
gonna
just
come
wanted to know the time of day.
Also.
So this does tell us the time of day. Because they must give you a time of day so you can figure out the next one.
Bye, sir.
Alright guys, take care. Get some
Bye,
rest.
sir.
Yeah, take care. See you guys soon.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye,
Great job,
sir.
guys. Just be confident, do your thing, read it something and do your thing,
Sir.
alright? I believe in you guys.
Are you going to have any more classes?
I don't think it's necessary, guys. What you guys think?
Bye, sir. Hope
Bye,
you
sir.
have
Definitely will clear up.
sir.
You guys will
Bye,
do well. Just read it, relax, do your thing. I'm proud of you guys, alright?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Bye,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Bye,
Have
sir.
a nice
Bye,
night.
Vitol. Big up
Sir,
to all
are
the
you going
people.
to post this recording?
Yeah, man. You want me to post it? I could.
Yes, sir.
Other kids could benefit from it, so I think I could.
Very sure.
Alright.
Bye,
Guys, I have
sir.
so
Take
many
care
plans for
yourself.
tomorrow though. It's going to be probably late in the night. You guys have school tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So I'll probably start posting from 2:30 or so.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Bye, sir. Take care of yourself.
Definitely will.
Sir,
Definitely.
sir, sometimes I come out of class like 6 o'clock, 6:30, and 5:30.
Okay. So you can watch the playback then.